Hey guys, welcome! Today, I'm excited to share with you the hottest men's hair trends of 2024 Glow Up. Are you looking to try something new with your hair? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's embark on a journey to refresh your style and discover the latest hair trends of 2024. Your hair is a powerful way to express your personal style, and today, we're going to take steps together on this path. First off, I want to emphasize this. Refreshing your style always leaves you feeling better. And the more you experiment, the more you'll discover. In a world full of innovation, changing up your hair can boost your confidence. Here are some amazing hair models to inspire you. Perhaps you're looking to try a different style this time. With a little courage and creativity, you can find yourself. Whatever style you choose, rest assured you'll feel great. Remember, your hair is a way to express your style. Each haircut, each style can make you feel more unique and confident.